Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys. I'm just having a look at this chart someone's requested from Twitter. It's not looking great at all, to be honest. INM. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. I've just sent out the link now. Right. So this is what you need, 0.4468. INM needs 0.4468. Right. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. We'll get started in a minute. Am I late to LIFW? I mean, you won't be late. There's nothing going on with it. It's literally just consolidating. CLSK. CLSK doesn't look like anything. Yeah, nothing really on this. Can identify demand zone around here. So it's in a demand zone, which is a good sign. Safer entries here than anywhere else, in my opinion. But it needs volume. To respect this demand zone, it needs volume to push up. So yeah, it needs to, could be a possible reversal of this level. Possible reversal. OSHA, yeah, I just had someone talking about OSHA as well. Yeah, OSHA should go, it should break out here, look. It's your ascending triangle, 460. So 460 is your ascending triangle. Gave this to you guys on the watch list for today on Twitter and in the Discord. I wanted this one to hit $5 yesterday. I gave it a low at like 290 something. Yeah, OSHA is here. This is OSHA right now. Yeah, I saw SBFM. It's a former run as well. This has clean room to 0.18. So your next resistance level is 0.8. If we're looking left, look all the way up to here. It's actually this. What is this? 0.16, I think. Sorry, 0.16. There's your next resistance. So there's nothing in its way. So there's clean room at the moment. Looks like it's moving up, 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 up. But pre-market, the pre-market is being absolutely terrible this morning. Terrible, 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 terrible. Nothing is worth grabbing in my opinion. Very, very slow pre-market. I'll just keep SBI. I don't care about it, but I just want to keep it on watch. See what it does do. Which one? Good morning, bro. CJJD. Nothing on CJJD, bro. It just broke below the support. Well, it's right on support now. It might be a double bottom. But yeah, I don't really like this chart at the moment. I personally would wait for it to break like a resistance level, like at least this level, 298, $3. Yeah, $3 I would wait for personally. No sign of reversal yet on this. ENVB, I really like this setup. It didn't do what I expected yesterday, but I got stopped out on it and then it ran, which was annoying, but that's what happens when you have a tight stop loss. It's in a bullish pennant, expecting price to break out of this today for sure. So I'm expecting this price to break to the upside. You have to 170, then all the way up to 190. ADIL, similar setup on this, bullish pennant as well, expecting the same thing, expecting price to break to the upside, to like $3. It needs $3 break. Live W, nothing on Live W, guys. This is it. It's literally just consolidating in this demand zone. Look, nothing is happening at all. It's just in this demand zone. If it breaks below, it's coming down to 105. This is your next demand zone around here. So nothing is on this. Someone's probably going to ask me again on this. So this is the chart. Save it, screenshot it, whatever you need to do, copy it. This is your level. So it's right now, it is at support in the demand zone. It needs volume. It's respecting this well, but the way the pre-market is, it's been very weak. So nothing worth grabbing. LVTX, not really interested in this at the moment, so I'll delete this. I don't care about it. BBAI, I just have this on watch from my watch list today. If we're looking at it, it's really just holding 444 support. So it broke above this. Now this is an area of support. I'm personally waiting for 475. If you get 475, then that could look for good entries, but it ran yesterday 25%, so I'm just looking for continuation on this one, but nothing yet. This whole area here is a no trade zone. This whole zone here is no trade zone for me. No trade zone. Nothing on here. SPFM. Yeah, guys, the pre-market has been absolutely terrible though. It's very, very slow. Nothing on this. RNLX, I don't think it had any volume, or there was something on. Yeah, it's down 17%. Nothing on this chart. Nothing. Look, downtrend. Very bearish chart. Down 17% from yesterday. Doesn't look good at all at the moment, especially the way pre-market is. You can identify this as the low here. So just draw the low. This is your resistance level here. So I personally would wait for 150 if I'm looking for any kind of entry on RNLX. Other than that, I wouldn't touch it. Has anything changed in pre-market? Is there anything moving? AISP, someone mentioned that as well. AISP. Right, AISP, add this to my watch list. It's running. So now what I'll do is, since I've seen it running, I'll go to a larger time frame and identify what key levels there are on this play. What are the next resistance levels? You can all see this one. This is a clear resistance level, right? So 299. And then you have this next resistance level around here. So that is 354. And then we can do one more level, which is around here. I do my key levels on the 4 hour. There's no best time frame for it, but for me, I like to use the larger time frames. 4 hour is a good time frame for key levels. So this is your key levels on AISP. This does have room to 299. The way the pre-market is and there's nothing running, I expect traders to jump into this one and push it at least to 299. So this is what I have. So I am expecting it. So now that it's broken this level as well, okay, this should become new support, and hopefully this pushes up to 299. That is your next resistance level on this. As I just mentioned, this is the only play that's really running and has volume. I expect it to get to 299 soon, and then you have 354 and then 395. Oshia, yeah, this one's, wow, it's right at that thing. ENBB is looking very, very good into open as well. Although it is a larger time frame setup, I still do like it. SBFM just has room to 1.16, guys. SBFM room to 0.1600. Guys, there's only one Discord that I'm in. Only one Discord. I'm only in one Discord. This is the only Discord that I'm in. I will send the link there. There's spots open for March, so if you want to join, feel free. But yeah, that's the only Discord I'm in, Tiger Line Trading. I'm not in any other Discord. Please do not, I won't message you about anything random about crypto or anything stupid. What else is moving here? If you guys have any other questions, apart from just tickers or anything, feel free to ask. Anything about the Discord, anything about how I trade, just anything in general, let me know. Let me know. SPFM. It's gonna keep going higher and higher and higher and higher. RVSN. I mean, you can look at this chart, right, Rupesh? Check it out. No bueno, right? Not good, not good, not good. Look, strong downtrend. Strong downtrend. Yeah, nothing on this, bro. Any kind of entry would be at least above 255, personally. Look, previous resistance here as well, so 255 is what I would wait for. So 255 can be your level. I mean, if you wanted to, higher risk entries if it breaks the downtrend, but personally, I like to wait for volume to come in onto this play. So could be a falling wedge actually. I know this is a former run as well, so you can keep this on watch. Could be, no, I don't trade any crypto, bro. I mean, I don't know, maybe, not really, no. I don't think so, no. I don't think it has too much of an effect, to be honest with you. I mean, it's one day, it's been 1 or 2 days. It's not like, it's just the way market is. It's not going to be insane every single day, right? It's just pre-market as well. It could have some kind of effect, but it's not, I would just say it's just a normal thing. Like if sometimes the market's going to be strong, sometimes the market's be slow. It's just really depends. So this is bullish setup on this RVSN note. I'm going to add this to my watch list, so I'll just keep it here. RVSN. Purple. I'm just going to put this in purple so it's a large time frame. Yeah, I mean, look, hey, guys, does anyone get this? I literally said it's going to get to 299 in a couple of minutes. So I don't know. That was a very simple trade. I personally didn't take it because I'm doing this, but it was, I think it was at like 240 when we saw it. So if anyone listened and grabbed it, congratulations. If you didn't, to just watched it move, then that's it. It's very, very easy to trade pre-market if you understand how to play momentum. It's very, very easy. People overcomplicate it, but it's very easy to do it. If you see a play moving, watch for the pullbacks or look for key levels and just look for that entry. So this is no longer a valid demand zone now, so it's coming down. Therefore, it's probably going to pull back to around this level here that I have marked. AISP, this doesn't look great. CJJD, this is a Chinese play. There's a lot of China plays moving. So yeah, these are kind of just chilling. Yeah, these China plays again are moving too. BBAI is still just consolidating at the moment. Do you hold any? No, I don't have any long positions. I took all my long positions out. I make more money doing basically just trading, day trading. I have like some crypto, but it's nothing crazy. I don't have like a lot of money in it, but it's just, I guess everyone just has money in crypto. Long term, yeah, I'm not into it. I don't know. I just have a day trader's mindset. So for me, I don't know. I just don't like holding plays overnight. Learned kind of the hard way by holding plays overnight and offerings dropping and all these kind of things, especially the stocks that I play. So for me, it's just easier mentally for me to focus on just every day as it comes. Kind of just a robot, to be honest, in terms of how I trade. Pretty much, unless I'm up like, I'd say like 10 or at least 15% up on a play, I'll hold some overnight. Other than that, I'll usually just sell all of it before I go to bed or something. Yeah, I know. Chinese plays like pump and dumps. I don't look really too much in the Chinese market, but if one goes, they all usually run. It's just good to add them on your watch list. If you see one running, most of the time the others are lagging, but it's really just a hit or miss. But normally it's the same ones over and over again. Yeah, I saw that pal speaking. Is it today? What was it? I have the key events, but it says that the only news that I have is, wait, today's Tuesday. Isn't it tomorrow he testifies? No, it's Wednesday. Today ISM non-manufacturing PMI data comes out, or it's already come out. Let me look. Key events, let me go into it and see here. Let's have a look. Let me see what Powell's saying. I'll look on Twitter here. Yeah, it's tomorrow. Tomorrow he's testifying. I mean, I don't know if he's seeing today. I don't know. But yeah, is he actually speaking 30 minutes after open? Testifies Wednesday, and then Fed Chair Powell testifies again Thursday. Tuesday, FOMC member Barr talks at 12 p.m. today. That's it. And then Fed Powell speaks tomorrow, 10 a.m. Which is 30 minutes after open tomorrow. Yeah, it's tomorrow. Nothing today. Nothing today. Let's see what else is moving. Well done if anyone took it. I literally said it's going to $2.99. If anyone listened, congratulations. Congratulations. Very simple. That was free money there. As I mentioned, when you see a play running in a slow market, everybody's going to jump into that play. Why? Because they want to play the momentum. They want to make the money. That's where the money is. Play the momentum. Don't try and find these hidden gems. That is the easiest money you could have made. When I looked at it, this thing was at 237. So if you entered around 237 level, right? Let's say around here. It ran a nice 25% plus. Well done if anyone got in. Well done, bro. Well done. $500. That's perfect. Amazing. It's very simple. Trading's very simple, guys. Eliminate all the noise and everything. Focus on the movers. That's it. Quick. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so like now it's risky to get in because look, this is resistance level. However, look, it's clearly breaking. If this candle closes above on the 5 minute, 30 seconds closes above, it should continue to 354. Right now, this is the strongest setup. It looks very good. I personally wouldn't be entering now, but when I mentioned it around here, 237, that was a good entry. But trying to enter now, it's a little bit difficult because you have this level in the way here. This 299. I also need to turn the stream delay off. If anyone knows how to do it from YouTube, let me know. Can help me out. ENVB is going green. FSR stockholder meeting will be really good or really bad. Likely will be plays. Can't read it. Likely will be plays there. I mean, yeah, it's good or bad, right? It's kind of how stocks go. I mean, at the moment, it doesn't look too good, to be honest. But, yeah, nothing on this. Here's your support. There you go. Yeah, nothing on this. That is all I have on that. But very, yeah. Geez, 105% now. Cassie Pay. Yeah, there's really not much going on at all. Slow. So BBAI, what I'm waiting for, I'm going to remove this so the line, so it's clearer to see. I am personally on this play. All I'm doing is I'm just waiting for 475 because I know if it breaks this resistance, it's probably going to keep pushing right to 5 and then 525. Trying to enter in this range is like a no trade zone. It's a gambling zone, right? So you don't really know what's going to happen. Up, down, up, down. For me, I like to wait for confirmation. So that means is if this breaks above, it's most likely, right? Trading's all about probabilities. You want the highest probability to work in your favor, meaning resistance. If it breaks a key area of resistance, you should expect it to continue and push to the upside. If it doesn't, it's probably going to come down, right? Make it very, very easy for yourself to trade. Easy, easy, easy. Don't make it difficult. Take high probability trades and you will make high probability. Your win rate will go up by a lot, a lot, a lot. RVSN, nothing, SPFM. So SPFM's coming down into like this demand zone here. Around this zone, like here. There you go. So it's coming down into the zone, right? We know that when it's ran up last time, it came down to zone. Now we know what is the highest probability. There's the highest probability that it is probably going to come down into this demand zone. If we get confirmation in the demand zone, then it looks good for possible entries. Don't try and enter here because it can keep coming down all the way, right? Don't try and enter when it gets to here because it can still come into demand zone. Wait for the high probability setups and that is where you will win. Don't try and get in before everyone else because it's very, very difficult to beat everyone else, right? You need to make sure that you get confirmation. Once you get the confirmation, then it'll look much better. So look, pulling back into demand zone. Once it's in demand zone, you know that there's a high probability that there is that the trade will probably push up. If not, right, look, if you entered now, let's say you entered now, your stop loss, let's say, is going to be here, okay? That's a 10% stop loss, right? But if you enter inside of this, right, you can have your stop loss just below, right, just below this demand zone. You know that if it goes below demand zone, it's probably going to keep going down, right? Here, it has a probability of going all the way down to here. So from a 25% stop loss to reducing it to like a 9% stop loss, right? That is how you can easily trade this play. Wait for it to get into demand zone. If it doesn't come into demand zone, which is likely, then just leave it. It's okay. There's thousands of other plays that give opportunity. Just because it doesn't give you the opportunity in demand zone, it doesn't mean you have to get in now because it's going to go up, right? Usually what will happen is that you're trying to get in now because you think it's going to go up and it comes down, right? And then you knew you should have waited for demand zone. That's why I say wait for high probability trades and they will work in your favor. So where is this likely to pull back? Probably into this demand zone right here, right? Here. This is your demand zone. Why is this your demand zone? Everyone should know this by now who's watching these streams. Last red candle before the push to the upside. I use it on the 5 minute. A demand zone works on every single time frame. 1 minute, 2 second, daily, weekly, yearly, monthly, whatever it is. I like to use the 5 minute because it works best for my strategy. So this one here is if you're looking for an entry, wait for it to get back down to demand zone and then you can look for possible entries. Another possible entry you can take on this is if it pulls back to VWAP. If it pulls back to VWAP and it holds this level, then you can also look for entries. But for me personally, I would wait for it to come down into this. ZCMD, I deleted off my watch list, bro. Nothing on this. Look, huge sell-off, look. Nothing on this. Yeah, guys, like up the stream. We have, says we have 9 likes and 40 people watching. Come on. Like up the stream, like it up, like it up. For this one, there's nothing. I mean, here you can have support around here. Or around this level. What is this? $3. I mean, it's holding $3. That's a good sign. That's a psychological level, but it's huge sellers in control here. Look. Sellers are in complete control with this, bro. So for me, Remember what I say, you want to trade high probability setups. The probability of this going up right now isn't that high, right? But what I do like about this is that it's respecting a large, or the psychological level of $3, right? So technically speaking, if you wanted to take this trade now, okay, you could take it, but you have your stop loss just under $3 because you know if it breaks below 3, it's probably going to keep coming down. So that's how you could approach this. Yeah, I mean, it's really, I would say it's like a 60%, 70% chance or 60% chance that it'll probably push to the upside. The fact that it's holding this 5, 10, even here 15, 20, yeah, like 30 minutes of support. So I'll just keep it here on watch, but up to you though. If you did enter, just have stop loss under 3. That's kind of how I would do it. Oshia, nothing, couldn't break it yet. ENVB, this is probably my top watch today. Basing it off a larger time frame setup. It's been setting up for the last few days. Adil. So Adil's moving up as well, right? Same setup as what I just showed on ENVB. Exactly the same thing, larger time frame. Look, here is ADIL. ENVB, same exact chart. Look, these are bullish pennants. You expect price to break out of it. That's all. That's all. Life W, nothing on this. It's likely, right? It's likely that it's going to pull back into its demand zone around 107, 108 level. So that's what I'm going to be waiting for today. If it gives me that opportunity, then I will look for entries. I don't really care what's happening around here. I care what's happening around here. High probability setups. Made nice gain on Oshia. Damn, what on, bro? What on? Yeah, nice. Hopefully it breaks today. I mean, I'm expecting it to get past 5 at least today. At least. It should do. CJJD, I'm not really interested. I'm going to delete this play. BBAI, remember this one for those who just joined. I'm only interested if this breaks above 475. ZCMD's toast for today. I mean, it's pushing up, bro. I don't know. I think it looks pretty good right now. Respecting $3. Look here. Every time it's held $3, it's moved up. So it's high probability. It's actually a high probability that it's going to reverse and it's going to come down. That is how I look at it. So this one here, I mean, what is this trade? CCMD, possible reversal here. So I'm just looking at previous price action. I'm not saying this thing's going to run 100%, but if we're looking at the stock, right, look, since the news or whatever it's running, this Chinese play, right, from let's just say here to here, that is a 50% pullback, right? When a stock pulls back that much, it's usually going to reverse. At least, I would say at least you can get 5-10% out of this play. So at the moment, it looks like it's reversing actually off this $3. It was at 312 when I looked. What was this level here? Yeah, 313 when I last looked at it. It's up 7 cents, so nearly 3% since I looked. Next room is 335. Then you literally have room all the way to like 380, 390. So it looks very good for now. Yeah, for a scalp trade. I'm not saying it's going to run crazy, but there's a high probability that's reversing. Cassie's moving as well. So look here, Cassie, we have, wait, I need to move this. What is this level here? 608, 590. So this is like, this is $6 as support here, but I'm going to move it to this level here, so 617. The reason is we've had strong wick here, and then it's held this support level. Since it's held this level, it looks like it's starting to push to the upside. So it looks pretty good actually, to be honest with you. I'm just going to keep this on watch. I'm not really too interested in it at the moment, but just for a play, I'm going to keep it on watch. That's all. BFRG, let me have a look. So low volume on the 5 minute. BFRG, nothing on this, to be honest. Downtrend. At the moment, it's in a downtrend with low volume, so personally, nothing for me. I'd have to wait for like $5. If we get above $5, we should be okay. BBAI, guys, there's only one thing I'm waiting for on this. It's 475. If it doesn't break 475, I don't care about it. Look what's happening. It's literally just consolidating here. It's trading in a range. This is a no trade zone. No trade zone, right? Yeah, no trade zone here. Guys, I'm going to head into the Discord. I'm going to be live trading again for members today. If you want to join, the link is in this description here. I'll just post it if you want to join. Here's a link here. I will post charts if I can on Twitter as usual, but I'm only going to share setups that I like. Please, please, please have stop loss on your plays. If you're ignoring stop loss, then do not trade. It's very that simple, right? But have a great day, guys. I appreciate all your support. I saw I just hit 12K today, which is fantastic. Yeah, thanks again for your support, guys. I will catch you all tomorrow. Peace out. See you. Yeah, see you.